Understanding the phrase, "Let me support you." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very heartwarming and supportive phrase in the English language. Let me support you. This phrase is more than just words. It's an offer of help and solidarity. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're just looking to deepen your understanding of English expressions, this video is for you. Let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and why it's so powerful. The phrase, "Let me support you," is composed of a few key components. Let's break it down. Let me. This part of the phrase is offering permission or expressing a desire to do something for someone else. It's a polite way of saying that you want to take action to assist. Support. To support someone means to give them assistance, help, or encouragement, especially in times of need. Support can be emotional, physical, financial, or any other type of help. You. This refers to the person being addressed. It makes the phrase direct and personal. When combined, these elements convey a message of willingness and eagerness to provide assistance or encouragement to someone. This phrase can be used in a variety of situations, from casual conversations to more serious discussions. Here are a few scenarios where, "Let me support you," can be particularly impactful. During difficult times, offering support when someone is going through a hard situation. In achieving goals, helping someone reach their personal or professional goals. In learning and growth, assisting someone in their journey of learning something new or improving a skill. When you use this phrase, it's important to be genuine and ready to follow through with your offer of support. It can be accompanied by specific offers of help, such as, "Let me support you by listening to what you're going through," or, "Let me support you with your project." Saying, "Let me support you," can have a profound impact on both the giver and the receiver. For the person offering support, it's an opportunity to show empathy, kindness, and solidarity. For the person receiving it, it can provide a sense of relief, companionship, and encouragement. This exchange fosters stronger relationships and builds a sense of community and understanding. "Let me support you" is a powerful phrase that embodies the spirit of helping and caring for others. It's a testament to the strength of human connection and the importance of being there for one another. We hope this video has helped you understand the depth and beauty of this phrase. Remember, offering support can make a world of difference in someone's life. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to support each other.